In this video, we're going to learn how to update or install a new version of your plugin. So the first thing you're going to need to do is access the customer dashboard on the CMind site. Click on Account, Customer Dashboard. Here you can register for an account. When you register, you can choose a username, provide your first name and last name, and the email that you used during checkout. Go ahead and register and then log into your new customer dashboard account. Okay, so now you're on the customer dashboard. You're going to navigate to My Download History, and here you'll find a list of all of your downloads. And then the files on the right-hand side are the most up-to-date versions of those plugins or extensions. So you can easily click on the file to download the plugin. This will download a zip file to your computer. The next thing you're going to need to do is visit your dashboard and deactivate the current version of the plugin if you have one. You can't run, for example, the free version and the pro version of the same plugin at the same time. This won't work. After you deactivate the plugin, you will also need to delete it. Don't be afraid when it says, "Are you sure you want to delete this?" You're going to lose all of your files and data. When you update with a new version, all of your data will be there. So go ahead and click yes. You can completely ignore this message. Then you're going to go ahead and click on Add New Plugin, and then navigate to Upload Plugin. And here you can simply upload the zip file that was downloaded from the customer dashboard and install that on your site. And don't worry, all of your information from the previous version of this plugin will transfer automatically to the newer version when you install it. So after you install that new plugin file, you're going to go back to your plugins list and go ahead and activate the new plugin. The next step is to activate the license for the plugin. You only need to activate the license if you've installed the Pro plugin for the first time. So when you're updating to the most recent version of the plugin, don't worry about activating the license and move ahead to the next step. So you can find the license back at your customer dashboard. Click on View Licenses for the order in which you purchased that plugin or extension. Copy that key number. On the license page, you're going to take that copied license key, paste it in here, and then click Activate the license key in order to get this to work. And then you're done. Thank you for choosing Creative Minds.